Oh man, oh man, you should see the look on your face right now. You thought that you were gonna see my house? No, no, no. That what I'm holding in my hand is caught. You see, the joke I just pulled was that I was gonna show you around my house, right? Or at least that's what the title led you to believe. But in reality, I was only going to show you my my 8 copies of my the house of the TV show House MD. I like the TV show. Ha 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 ha! Man, you just got pranked so hard. Oh.